Okay, item 4.3, appointment of the Deputy Mayor. I have an absolute pleasure to announce that I've chosen Councillor Rosie Harvey, who is the highest polling candidate in the recent elections. I've offered her the position of Deputy Mayor. She has very kindly taken it up, so I'd like to appoint Councillor Harvey to the role of Deputy Mayor. I'd also, in doing so, like to thank Councillor Barry Hickling, who has done the role for the last 3 years exceedingly well. And thank you, Barry, for all your very hard work. And Councillor Hickling, as I know, is very supportive of this decision. So, Councillor Harvey, congratulations! A proud moment for your family sitting in the gallery. You've done wonderful things for this town, and it's a well-deserved honour. And I look forward to working with you over the next 3 years. So I'd like to move it by resolution, if that's all right. So I'll move that the council notes the appointment of Deputy Mayor Councillor Harvey of the Taupo District Council.
I'll second that.
And seconded by Councillor Williamson. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Those against?
Thank you.
Carried. Okay, thank you, Rosie.
Your speech.
Councillor Harvey, Deputy Mayor, would you like to say anything?
I would just like to say that I take it as a great honour to accept the appointment, and I will certainly do my best to work very hard on behalf of the council and always keep the interests of the district in mind. And that's certainly always been my aim. I've always thought like that, and certainly that's always been my aim, and I'm very, very happy to be doing this role, and I will always back you up as the Mayor. That's something I'm very proud of, and I will, yes, as I say, I take this role very seriously. So my door is always open as well, and I'm very much an open-minded councillor, always have been, so that's how I intend to continue. So thank you very much for that opportunity, and I will take it gratefully, and thank you.
Thank you, Councillor.